have a favor to ask. When you sneeze, could you stop doing it like this?
Sneezing always feels good.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
So once we get below that magic number of 32 for a couple of hours, it can turn icy. We're not seeing that this morning, but I do think there will be a better chance tomorrow morning at this time. This is what it feels. Oh my God. I think I'm allergic to the lemon bar.
That was
violent almost.
huge pair of sneezes.
I thought something was
Oh
wrong.
my God, that sounded like a full
All of
body
a sudden I felt, okay, bless
Come
you.
on.
Bless you. What are you going to do?
Did you just exercise a demon?
To confront this cruel demon.
Seriously, did you see your face?
What?
It's because I was sneezing into the
You
mic.
just caused your own weather pattern.
That was quite the storm this morning.
Is that a jet stream
Oh,
there?
I
or
feel a lot
snot?
better now. That's all I'm going to say. All right, let's talk about these clouds.
Good morning and welcome back to Wake Up at 9. It's beautiful today, not so much later tonight, huh?
Well, we got some rain on radar.
Oh, bless.
Little pollen count's pretty high today, thank you. I need to be blessed.
Oh, boy.
I've never had someone sneeze on air before.
Well,
Really?
there you
There you
have
go.
it.
Really?
I
How about-
often sneeze.
Yeah.
And
Never happened for me.
because before it'd be like, I would know it was coming and I'd be like, she'd have to like brace me.
Are you serious? You think you might have appendicitis?
Well, my stomach's rumbling and I'm having these shooting pains.
Okay, maybe I should take you to the hospital.
No, I'll be all right. It's probably just this stupid patch. I mean, I quit smoking and I think I'm allergic to it and it makes me all queasy and plus I had a bunch of drinks at the club.
Well, are you gonna throw up?
No, I can't.
Here. Just take this just in case.
No, I'm one of those people who could never throw up.
Yeah.
I wish I could throw up. I know it would help. Oh, wow. You know what? I think I feel a little better. That sneeze helped.
Take her wherever she wants to go. Here.
But I never got your number.
Hello, people of the social medias. Women, I have a favor to ask. When you sneeze, could you stop doing it like this? Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Fuck, I'm gonna pop a blood vessel.
That was rough.
Nobody sneezes like that. Just let that shit go, girl. Just let it go.
I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker. Beyonce sneezed in real life, and indeed the beat got sicker and the Bajancy went wild. So when I sneeze, it's usually like a hot mess of so not cute. But what happens when Queen Bee sneezes in front of the whole world? Well, everyone gets information. Beyonce has been killing it all across the US with her Formation tour. In fact, some predict it could be a record-breaking tour after all is said and done, but even when she messes up, she does it flawlessly. On her first sold-out night of her 2-night stay, the singer sneezed right before starting a song for all of her fans to see. But the Bajancy didn't drop a beat. All 45,000 of them blessed her at the same time. Check out this Instagram video. Is it weird to say hashtag sneeze goals? Because that's exactly how I'm feeling. Clearly, Beyonce doesn't need a blessing. She's too blessed to be stressed, because then she moves right along to her next song, gives a whole literal meaning to sneezing on the beat, and the beat got sicker. And not surprisingly, social medias totally blew up in reaction to her achoo moment, just like this one. Didn't even know Beyonce could sneeze, yo. And I'm literally so excited to tell everyone at work tomorrow that Beyonce knows to sneeze into the crook of her arm. And here's my favorite. It's Kanye's birthday and everyone is talking about Beyonce's sneeze. Hashtag impact.
A state Superior Court judge is accused of Broadway.
Changes are coming to local group homes. They'll have the new rules.
You want me to stay here?